Hi, Ian Rosnella here. I'm going to take a look at, I'm here in the Golden Hills neighborhood of Redondo Beach and looking at the Barry Host listing at 1715 Morgan Lane. And this particular home is generally close to being immaculate. There's really nothing to do in this home. It's built in 1993, 3 beds, 3 baths, and if you're looking at the neighborhood here, you've got a nice array of single-family homes here in Golden Hills. Really nice area. So take a look at the house. Okay. So here's the house itself. Got a nice front balcony right up here, as you can see. And let's go on inside. Now, if you're gonna live here, of course, you're probably gonna just come in from the garage, and but you know, your guests, if they're if you have guests coming in to visit, you're gonna walk down this little aisle here, and here's your front entry, backyard down that way, and then here's your front door, right? Come on in, take a look. So you've got this gorgeous entryway here, and you know, like I said, this home kind of has it all. If you're looking for a nice garage like me and you like speckled painted floors, you know, a nice polished workbench with a television, plenty of storage cabinets, you know, this place has it. So it's here, you know. And if you're looking downstairs, you know, if you take a look at the got your front hall closet, right? Plenty of space in here for your things that you need to store. And you've got the typical downstairs 2 bedrooms, this being the first one. Plenty of closet spaces here, right? And just really nicely done. Try this one. There you go. Look at that. There we go. Got the lights on. Now I can really see that you got these great lights and the recessed lights. So, and of course the crown molding. I mean, look at everything. Looks very nice. Okay, and of course this bathroom here. You've got your nice sink. Some really great counters. Nice vanities. Your tub here has got your subway tile. And yes, I thought it was perfect, but that cabinet did close a little sticky right there. But that's okay. I wouldn't say that's any reason why you would ask for a $1 discount in this home. So in the hallway, you've got your washer and dryer, right? That's kind of great. They're all right here. LGs. Always reliable, aren't they? Now look at this. This is kind of unique. You've got a built-out private office space that is not something you see very often. Really nicely done. Again, look at the great lighting fixtures. You've got the light above here. You've got some cabinets here built in. You know, I mean, you can just, if you need to do some podcasts or do some serious web meetings, or you just work from home, or you're working remote, this space is for you. Look at that. So I think this is a great special type of space. If you keep the door closed, you can see that, you know, you've got the natural light coming in from outside with this great door here too. So let's go into the second bedroom, take a look at that. Second bedroom here, again, great cabinets for the closets here that fold open, built-in drawers and everything. I mean, this is great. Popular style gold handles, you know, if you need your socks and everything else, go right in here. Nice organizers for hanging everything here. This is really good. Okay, let's take a look at, now the one thing that I had a comment on earlier is that if you have 2 junior high school kids going to school and this is one of their rooms, well, everybody's going to come through their room to go outside to the balcony. You know, is that the end of the world? There's always some kind of a quirky thing with every home, right? Well, that's one of them. I don't think it's a big deal, but you do have your compressor for the air conditioning out here. Nice little outdoor kick back and relax area, right? There's the back of the house right here. You do have a balcony from the primary suite upstairs. And There's the side yard. Okay. And this does open all the way out if you want this to be lots of fresh air coming in. I like that. The double doors are great. So let's take a look at the rest of the house. So this is the downstairs, okay? Now heading on upstairs, we have, I do like these floors. Some people like the gray, some people like the light colored woods, whichever you prefer. Everything, of course, carpet and flooring are all interchangeable, but I'd say this all looks pretty good as it is. Again, great light fixtures, if you take a look at that. High ceilings, high beam ceilings, always great. We got the plantation shutters, which add a lot of character. There's your front view, and then here's your living space. And you're going from, you know, your balcony from the front. Nice open living space here. Just great. Two steps and you're in the dining and kitchen area. I will say the lighting fixtures in here are quite nice. So you have some white oak cabinets here, stainless steel appliances. Here's your oven. And there's your 5-burner stove, Whirlpool dishwasher, lightly opened windows, bring in that ocean breeze through the house when it's not too hot, which is most all the year round. Got a nice Nest thermostat here, which is great. This is your half bath. Perfect. I'm telling you, it's really great about the neighborhood. So you can have your window cracked open this much and get a great breeze coming through here. And just keeps the home in the perfect temperature. Now let's take a look at the primary suite. We're gonna walk in here and take a look at your walk-in closet, right? And coming inside, again, high ceilings, fantastic. If you're 6 feet or taller like me, it's amazing. To not be able to reach the ceiling, I can't touch it like I can in the 8-foot ceiling homes. Again, cool light fixtures. You do have a balcony outside here, which is cool. Here's your view of the neighborhood. Pretty great, right? Last thing we're gonna see on our tour, 1715 Morgan Lane in Golden Hills, Redondo Beach, is the double sinks in the primary bath. Nice shower, tiled floor, and vertical subway with your nice soaked in tub. Great property. Listed for just $1,000 less than $1.7 million.